Are you ready to manifest a call from someone specific? I'm sure you are. We are on this manifestation week, and today is our day 4, and we are going to have some amazing manifestation. Are you excited? Let's start. Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. Are you excited to manifest something amazing on the day 4 of this manifestation week? Now, before we start, I want all of you to share in the comment section that if you have invited some of your friends or people around to join the manifestation week or not. If you have invited, do let me know in the comment section. Today is our day 4, and so far you have manifested many things and you have shared in the comment section, and it's going fun. So on this day 4, I'm going to give you the process, much awaited process, and so many of you keep asking for this particular manifestation, how to manifest it, and in the manifestation week only I'm giving you this. So you are going to manifest a phone call from someone specific. Ready for it? If you have been waiting for this process, this technique, do let me know in the comment section. So one thing I want you to understand first is like you have a strong energy within you, but when you set the intention, without any resistance, without any fears, without any doubts, then the intention goes inside the universe and it reaches to the person, because in the universe everything is energy and vibration. Nikola Tesla has said that a century ago. And all the successful people, or all the people who have invented something or created something amazing, they always knew this thing, and they transmit their energy through thought vibration to the people they want to influence, or they attract in their life, or what they want to create in their life. So you have the same energy, you have the same power, because all of us are part of the same universe and we have been gifted with the same power. So now what you are going to do in this process of attracting a call from someone specific? First, you must choose from the person from whom you are going to attract this call. And if you have been trying to attract from some particular person, especially like an ex, or from someone with someone you have a lot of fight, or you have a lot of differences, and you have been struggling with them in manifesting a call or a text message, then I would suggest don't apply this technique first on them, apply on someone else, so that you will know that it works, and then you will do it for them maybe after a few days. But if you haven't tried it on anyone, and you haven't tried it attracting from someone specific, then let's go for it. And even you can try to attract from someone whom you really like, or from a friend whom you haven't talked for a quite long time, or even you can try it on your ex boyfriend or girlfriend, or even if from some particular person with whom you don't have a good relationship or close relationship yet. Because if your intention is strong and there is no resistance, it will work for sure. So what you are going to do, the number 1 point, choose the person. Now before you focus on it, if you have some good conversation with this person over the call, so go to that moment, think about that past experiences, that when you had a great conversation with this person, or if you people have a great relationship and you were talking very well, so you can recall that moment when the person used to call you and talk to you, and how you feel listening to the person's voice, and how magical it was, how you people have fun time together, laughing together, or talking together, or having a loving time if it's a love relationship. So you think about that moment and recall that moment from past, because that will activate that vibration. So do it for some time, and then when you feel this positive vibration, then imagine that the person is calling you in your phone. Imagine the person calling you and your phone is ringing and their name is getting displayed. Now if you don't have the person's contact number, then you can just imagine that some random new number is displaying on your phone, and then you do the rest of the part. So if you have their number saved in your phone, imagine that your phone is ringing and the person's name is displaying the way you have saved their name in your contact list. If you don't have their contact, then see that some random number is showing up and the call is coming. So that's the next step. Once you see that, then imagine that you are picking up the call and then you are hearing their voice. Even if their name is saved or from a new number, when you hear the voice, you could able to recognize the voice. And then you imagine that you are listening the hello or the way that person talked to you, and both of you started talking and laughing and having a great conversation. So you continue that imagination for at least for 17 seconds and take it to 68 seconds and take it to 2-3 minutes, so that you feel that joy. The joy should come. When you imagine this, you should feel excited, you should have that joy. If that joy is not coming, then it's not going to work for you, because always remember, feeling is the secret. Abraham Hicks says that, Noel Goddard has said that, all the great teachers have said that happiness is the key to success, happiness is the key to manifestation. And happiness, what is happiness? Happiness is a feeling. So feeling is the secret. So when you be in that feeling mode, you be in that joyful mode, you feel that yes, you are talking to this person and you are smiling, you are laughing, and the other person is also excited talking to you. And if you haven't spoken to this person for a long time, so you must feel that this person is also so excited talking to you, and he or she is telling you that yes, it's been a long time and I'm talking to you, and yes, it's so much fun to listen to your voice. And you feel that joy. You have to bring that feeling, and when you feel it, then you stay in that feeling mode for some time, as long as you can. Maybe for some people it's 3 minutes, for some people you can go on 5 minutes, for some people even you can go for 15 minutes. It's absolutely fine. Be in that feeling mode and then release the vibes and tell the universe that yes, universe, yes, I'm ready to receive this call from this particular person, and I'm ready to receive it, and I'm ready to receive within next 24 hours or 48 hours. And if your energy is really high, if your feeling is really strong, and if you are really in a joyful mode, then you will receive this call within 24 hours from right this moment. But if you have resistance, that it may take a little longer, or you may have to do a little more practice. But I would suggest that is why first focus on a person with whom you have no resistance, so that you do it and you get the call within 24 hours, and then you may focus on someone else. So this is the process that works for everyone, but the key is feeling is the secret. Imagine it, feel it, and receive it. This is the key. And if you are ready to manifest this call, do let me know in the comment section that yes, AJ, I'm manifesting this call. If you like, you can write the person's name. When you get the call, come back to this video and share in the comment section, and I know that all of you are going to manifest it, because it's work like magic and you have the power within you. So let's start this day 4 of manifestation week, and I'm excited to see all your manifestation. If you like this video, if you are waiting for this technique, then do let me know in the comment section. Like it, share it, and share it with your friends if they wants to follow this technique, and ask them to join our awesome tribe. And if you are new here and watching our videos for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, so that you will be part of many more amazing journeys like this. Thank you. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach. Stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you.